Number one goes to Azaf win. Woo! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number one goes to Asafa's son Azaf. Winning his sports day event. And not only that, not only that box foot thing, Asafa also went in the appearance race. Can you believe it? He popped a Shelley and Fraser prize by running at in the appearance race. But first up, let's take a look at Azaf's race and see how he did. At least we know that Asafa Powell's training regime is very much functioning, it is working, and that these kids enjoy it, and you know how them feel elated for make them father proud in this sort of way, because you know when your father is Asafa Powell, you're not even have no choice to come second place. You not have no choice to come second place. The only thing you could do is probably pull up in the race and the people them would have give you like a grace, because you know them would have been cracking all kind of jokes for days and be like father, like son.
Yum food.
And then later on, see his father also take away the top prize in the parents race.